Anyway, guys, I just wanna greet Alexis Porcala's birthday. Oh yeah, I heard it. That was her birthday last June 22, right? Oh yeah, I will never show you something what is important, but because I will check there in my Facebook. Oh yeah, that's Alexis Porcala. That was her birthday. But usually I have to greet happy birthday Alexis Porcala, ha. Good. I wish you to be a good health, to be you're being in the wheelchair, and I think you got fell into accident. You know, that was last 2022. You got fell into accident. I have to greet you happy birthday, Alexis Porcala. Because how the Alexis Porcala? Oh yes, she's older than Ate Hana. So Alexis Porcala was born 1992. She's older than Jens Manaid. I have to greet you happy birthday, Alexis Porcala. At least you feel better now. I think I just want to say to you my birthday wish to you. You can dance very well if your legs are feel okay, because I know you're my good partner during in the program. I know Alexis Porcala, right? During in closing program, Alexis Porcala was my dance partner. During in the time I was a substitute of Eris Clemente, and Alexis Porcala was my dance partner during the closing program in 2017 when I was with Bill Galang and Kroll Ramirez. And also Alexis Porcala was my dance partner in closing program 2019 before pandemic. I know Alexis Porcala. If I show this in Facebook, that was my friend Alexis Porcala. If I just wanna say something to everyone, if I was a dance partner of Alexis Porcala, she is my friend.